The 1977 Ford Granada was a standout model in Ford's lineup, offering a blend of luxury and practicality that appealed to a broad audience. Designed as a compact luxury sedan, it carried a sophisticated appearance that made it look more expensive than it actually was. The exterior featured a boxy yet elegant design with chrome accents, a bold front grille, and squared-off headlights that gave it a stately presence on the road. It was available in two-door coupe and four-door sedan configurations, ensuring buyers had options to suit their preferences. The body lines were clean, with subtle creases adding character, and the available vinyl roof further emphasized its upscale styling. Under the hood, the 1977 Ford Granada offered multiple engine choices, catering to different performance needs. The base model came with a 200 cubic inch inline six, producing moderate power for daily commuting. Those seeking more performance could opt for the 250 cubic inch six-cylinder or the more powerful V8 options, including the 302 and 351 Windsor engines. These V8s delivered respectable horsepower, making the Granada a capable performer in its class. Paired with either a 3-speed manual, 4-speed manual, or a 3-speed automatic transmission, the driving experience was smooth and comfortable. Rear-wheel drive added to its classic feel, ensuring a traditional driving dynamic that enthusiasts appreciated. Driving the Granada was a refined experience, thanks to its well-tuned suspension and precise steering. The ride quality was smooth, absorbing road imperfections effectively, while the sound insulation kept the cabin quiet even at highway speeds. The V8 models provided decent acceleration, making them more desirable for those who valued performance. Handling was stable, though not particularly sporty, as the car was designed more for comfort than aggressive driving. Fuel efficiency varied depending on the engine choice, with the smaller inline six offering better mileage than the V8 counterparts. The 1977 Ford Granada was an excellent choice for buyers who wanted a luxurious feel without paying a premium price. It competed well against models like the Chevrolet Nova and Dodge Aspen, standing out with its high-end design and comfort-oriented features. Today, it remains a classic car appreciated by collectors and enthusiasts who admire its timeless appeal. Pricing for a well-maintained 1977 Granada varies, with values ranging from a few $1,000s to over $10,000, depending on condition and originality. If you enjoy classic car reviews and want to see more legendary models covered, make sure to subscribe and join our community. Stay tuned for more in-depth automotive content that keeps you informed and entertained.